Hello and welcome to Sports Hub.
What a match we experienced yesterday. I mean, it was a nail biter and it went right down the wire. Credits to Delhi for keeping their nerves and emerging victorious at the end of the match. However, there is a controversy the controversy of the decision. That one single run could have turned the results upside down. Kings 11 Punjab could have easily won the match without even having a super over. So we will leave that to the expert, and meanwhile we will come to the discussion of our today's match, where the Royal Challengers Bangalore takes on the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Royal Challengers Bangalore, as we always know, has a large fan base. Like, they're really loyal because they have been supporting their team, but they haven't won the title yet. But their support has been constant, so they have a large fan base, especially because of the man Virat Kohli and of course because of AB de Villiers. But this time they have other big names too, like Aaron Finch and Dale Steyn. The Sunrisers Hyderabad, on the other side, is a bit different side. They don't have the largest of fan bases, but they keep on performing. They have quality players like David Warner, Kane Williamson, Johnny Bairstow, and of course the Indian swing king Bhuvneshwar Kumar. So we will come into the detailed discussion about the two teams, but today's match will somewhat be a competition of who has lost their touch and who has been able to retain it. Okay, so let's take a look at the predicted 11 of both the sides. So coming to the RCB side, they look a fairly strong batting lineup, and this time they have invested quite a lot in the bowlers as well. Uh, in my opinion, Aaron Finch will be opening along with Parthiv Patel, and Virat Kohli and ABD will be coming at number 3 and 4. Now, this is a point of debate. Many might suggest that Virat should be opening, but I feel that he is best suited for number 3, and Aaron Finch and Parthiv should be opening. That gives them that left-right combination as well. Gurkirat Singh Mann should be given the responsibility of the middle order because he's a young talent and exciting one as well. And then in the bowling department, I believe they should go with Chahal and Zampa both, because this is a track on which the spin is lethal, and with two leg spinners, any side would be unbeatable. So basically, Chahal and Zampa will get a nod, according to my opinion, and Navdeep Saini and Dale Steyn will take charge of the pace department. Now, coming to the Sunrisers side, David Warner and Kane Williamson should be opening. Here also there might be a point of debate, like it should be Johnny Bairstow, but I believe that David Warner is already an aggressive batsman, so it has to be Kane Williamson who can anchor the inning in case David falls early. At number 3, I would like to see Priyam Garg, an exciting young talent again. And number 4 and 5, probably Manish Pandey and Wriddhiman Shah would be stepping up. At number 6, it's such a debating spot. Like, will it be Mitchell Marsh, or will it be some Indian all-rounder? They have quite a lot, like Vijay Shankar. But for me, keeping in mind the present scenario, the present form, it should be Mitchell Marsh, and he can get the ball to swing a bit as well. Rashid Khan is a must for the team, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar, as we all know, will be leading the pace department. I would like to include Shahbaz Nadim as well, because on these pitches, spin is playing a huge role. So basically, the ground is gripping to some extent, and so basically, Shahbaz Nadim should be in the squad, and Siddharth Kaul and Basil Thampi are my two choices at number 10 and number 11, because Siddharth Kaul has been very consistent with his line and length, and Basil Thampi can generate quite a lot of pace, so that might come in handy. So these are what the squads look like. Now, a brief comparison, a brief summary of both the teams. In the batting department, to be very fair, RCB looks a better side, just slightly edging over Sunrisers Hyderabad maybe, but you have to give the points to RCB. although you cannot underestimate Sunrisers because they have very quality players like David Warner, Kane Williamson, Manish Pandey. But when you have ABD, Virat, and Finch in the other heart, so you have to go for that side. When it comes to all rounders, perhaps the Sunrisers Hyderabad are on an advantageous point because they have international experienced players like Mitchell Marsh and Rashid Khan. In the bowling department, in the spin department, especially RCB is edging over Sunrisers because they have two world class spinners, two world class leggies to be very precise, Chahal and Zampa. And in the pace department as well, they have the spearhead Navdeep Saini and the experienced Dale Steyn. So that is something that the RCB will be looking forward to exercise very well, utilize very well. And on the other hand, the Sunrisers have a decent bowling lineup as well. They have been reputed for their bowling lineup over the years. But when you compare the two on paper, RCB has the edge over Sunrisers. So this was just an on-paper comparison. We will have to wait and watch out what their performances on the field look like. For that, stay tuned for the match and stay tuned with us for further updates. Thank you.